This is a short tutorial on how to administer the block or comprehensive test. First step is go to the website CASP, CAASPP.org, enter. You'll see that you have multiple green buttons that are up at the top. The one that we want to do to administer this test is going to be the Test Administrator interface. Click on that. Username is usually your first dot last. Now some people may need to put a dot number. The username and password is from the CASP email that was sent to you either last year or this year. Password is what you've created. Now if you happen to forget what your password is, then you can click on the Forgot Your Password and it will ask you for your email address, and then you just put in your school's email address and it will give you a chance to reset your password. For those that were first time, there should have been an email that was sent to you that you would use, and it tells you your username and password link to create one. I'm going to log in. I now get to my home page of the administrative interface. Now there may be pop-up blocker that is active for this browser. If there is, this little message will appear. To get rid of this, I go to the upper right where it has that little X. I click on that little red X and I want to allow for pop-ups for this web page. Now to get rid of this message, I reload the page. So now I am ready to administer my test. I have either by category, so I have either the comprehensive, the performance, or the block. I can also do it by grade level and then subject level, and this will then give you the IABs, blocks, or ICA, which is your comprehensive. So I can scroll down to see the full listing of all of them. Let's say that I'm just going to be giving this brief block assessment. I click on that one. I start my session. You'll then see that the session ID appears in the upper right hand corner. This is what the students will use to enter into their login screen so that they can access this test. This should be put on the board so that if a student happens to get logged off for some reason, they would be able to just go right back into this test where they left off. So once the students start to enter the information, you're going to get the approval. So you click on the approval, you specify the students to start taking the test. You can either do all of them at once, which usually takes a while, or you can do groups of them whenever they start to access the test. At the end of the test, or the end of the testing session, you would stop that session, and it says this is going to log them off, keeping them where they were at, and then you will be able to exit once you are all done with that day. So then make sure you just log out.